Welcome everybody to the third intermediate grade, semester first, subject English, Supergoal 5. Listen, Unit 1, Lifestyle, Writing, Form, Meaning and Function. This lesson prepared and will be presented by Amal Muhammad Falata. Today we will complete the text correctly, gonna write a paragraph about yourself, gonna form sentence correctly. Here you have a text. We want you to complete it correctly using suitable pronouns because using the pronouns make your paragraph more clear and more attractive. Teenagers in my country are obsessed with their computer. The majority of them spend an average of 2 to 3 hours a day on the computer. They regularly surf the internet to learn about things that interest them, and they sometimes use it to do research for school. Young people also frequently communicate through social media like Twitter and Facebook. They say that it is a great way to keep in touch with their friends. There are other teenagers who just prefer to play video games. For a teenager, a computer is tool for learning and a means of communication, but most of all, it's simply entertaining. Here what I want you to do, dear students, to have a piece of paper with a pen and you write a paragraph about your lifestyle. Don't forget that you have to write up the title and then you start writing the paragraph by leaving a space for 5 letters and you start with a capital letter, and don't forget that you have to put a full stop after each sentence. From meaning and function, we're going to talk about all, both, neither, none. What are the differences between them? Both and neither refer to two people or two things. You use them whenever you are talking about two people or two things. You're going to use both or neither, which means two. Like if I say both of them are teachers. Both of them teach science. Okay? When I want to give the negative, neither of them is math teacher. Neither of them teaches math. How about all and none? Refer to 3 or more people or things. Whenever you're going to talk about 3 or more than 3, directly you are going to use all or none. Like if I say all of them are teachers, okay? All of them teach science. Or I say none of them are math teacher, or none of them teach math. Okay, so those are the differences between all and none. All it means all and none mean no one. Here, all and both. All and both can go after the auxiliary verb be, can, do extra, and before the main verb. Like if I say they are both teachers, they can all speak English. It comes after the modal auxiliary. We both teach science. Here it comes before the verb. We are all having fun. Are they both science teachers? Or can they all speak English? Or do you both teach science? Or are you all having fun? Then I want to form a question. Here we want you to write sentences about Noura and Maha, okay, going back to your book. What we have for them? Neither of them eats junk food often. Both of them can cook, or they can both cook. Okay? Both of them work out regularly, or I say they both work out regularly. Here we want you now write sentences about Noura and Maha, okay, and Batria, using all, not, or none. None of them are vegetarian, or not all of them eat junk food often. They don't all eat junk food. Number three, all of them can cook, or they all can cook. Today we complete the text correctly. We write a paragraph about yourself. We form sentence correctly. Our references: student book, teacher book, tatweer.com and IN. Both are. If you have any questions, you can keep in